Welcome to Learning CapCut in a Year, Day 1. Let us start with the first task that you might be asking, and that is how you can change the language in CapCut. In general, you can download it right here on the official website capcut.com. I'm going to link to it in the description. Make sure to only use the official download link, otherwise you might get something shady onto your PC. We don't want that. You can also use the online version. There's a mobile version, but we're going to use the desktop version for most of my tutorials. And right here, it already says the language. We're going to use the English language, but if we left click on it, this will change the language on the website. And afterwards, if you download it, CapCut should be set to the language that you need. If you already downloaded CapCut, this should be your starting window. And here is a settings option, this gear icon at the top. Then it says settings, left click on it, simply switch to general. And here is the language feature. Once again, we can use English. If you want to use something different, make sure to save it. You may have to refresh, so close and then restart CapCut, but this should already solve your issue. If it for some reason doesn't, and you're in a project, let me just simply create a new one. You can see a menu option on the top left. Left click on it. There's also a settings feature. We'll switch to general yet again, and here's the language once more. Here also make sure to save, and then you may have to close it, restart CapCut, and your new language should be set. As this is the first video that I'm going to make in this playlist, let me add another side note here. You can see on the webpage there's a pricing option. Because CapCut isn't fully free, I'm going to use the free version as much as I can, or for basically all of the effects. Whenever I use a paid one, a paid feature, I'm going to mention that specifically. But there's a little bit of an issue, and that is that CapCut likes to change what is free and what is a paid feature. So with every update, they seem to change a couple of things. Therefore, obviously, all of the videos that I make and where I use free features, this is only free while I make these videos. I don't have influence over what is free in the future and what isn't. So don't be mad at me when I change something. But it sometimes also goes the other way around. So something that's a paid feature might become a free feature in the future. As I've said, they like to mix it up and change it basically with any bigger update. But in general, these paid features are usually AI stuff, a little bit more advanced inbuilt features, inbuilt effects. So we're going to be fine, especially when you're a beginner using the free version. And I hope that you're with me in this CapCut 365 days playlist. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.